Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you add recurring billing to one of your ThriveCart products? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up automatic billing for a recurring charge in ThriveCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're going to be selling subscription products that bill on an automatic basis. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now, here on the home screen, if you want to set up automatic billing to one of your ThriveCart products, first you're going to click on these three horizontal lines here at the top. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to choose the product that you want to add automatic billing to. So for example, my Italian food video course, and click on edit. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the product edit page. Now, automatic billing is going to be handled in the pricing section. So I'm going to click here into pricing. Okay, so you can see the pricing for this. It's a one-time payment of $4.99, or I've also set it up that you can pay 6 payments of $100. So if we're going to do this as a subscription with automatic billing indefinitely, we can go ahead and add another pricing option. So click here, add pricing option. Okay, once you do that, on the payment type, you want to click on subscription. Okay, here you can go ahead and choose the frequency of subscription. So is the automatic billing going to be annually? Is it going to be monthly? Is it going to be weekly? That's up to you. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose monthly, and the monthly price, I'm going to go ahead and set this at 400. And then number of rebills. This is really important. So this means that they are going to be automatically billed for $400 per month until they've canceled. So if you're going to set that up for a certain amount of time, you can click custom, and then you can go ahead and set that for maybe 24 months or 12 months. That's really up to you. For me, I'm going to go ahead and just do indefinite. Here, this means they're going to receive a receipt for their initial purchase. And then here, you can send a receipt on recurring payments, which is what I'm going to do. And here you can go ahead and see the terms. So my customer is going to be charged $400 immediately, and then again every month until they cancel. So we're going to go ahead and click on next, and then click on save. Okay, so here is our automatic billing right here, $400 per month ongoing. And we're going to scroll to the bottom, click on save and get URL. Okay, so here's my link. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is my checkout page. So for automatic billing, we have that option right here, $400 a month. They can check on that, and it's automatically going to bill their payment method monthly $400 per month if they wish to do so. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up automatic billing in your ThriveCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.